Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Creative. In this video we will be talking about apricots. Apricots are a type of small, round fruit that belong to the prunus genus, which also includes peaches, cherries, and plums. Known for their sweet and tangy flavor, apricots are enjoyed around the world in various culinary preparations. In this script, we will explore the characteristics, nutritional benefits, culinary uses, and cultivation of apricots. Apricots have a smooth, slightly fuzzy skin that ranges in color from pale yellow to vibrant orange. The fruit's flesh is juicy and succulent, with a single large seed or pit in the center. Apricots are typically 1 to 2 inches in diameter and have a pleasant aroma that intensifies as they ripen. Nutritional benefits. Apricots are not only delicious but also nutritious. They are a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and dietary fiber. Vitamin A is important for maintaining healthy vision, while vitamin C supports the immune system. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, and dietary fiber aids in digestion. Culinary uses. Apricots can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. 1. Fresh. Ripe apricots can be eaten as a healthy snack, either whole or sliced. 2. Dried. Apricots are a popular and convenient snack, often used in trail mixes or baked goods. 3. Jams and preserves. Apricots can be turned into delicious jams, preserves, or chutneys. 4. Baking. Apricots can be used in baking to add a sweet and tangy flavor to pastries, tarts, and muffins. 5. Cooking. Apricots can be incorporated into both sweet and savory dishes, such as salads, sauces, and glazes for meats. Cultivation. Apricots thrive in temperate climates with well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. They are typically grown in orchards and require proper care to ensure healthy growth and fruit production. Apricot trees bloom in early spring with white or pink flowers before producing the fruit in early summer. Regular pruning, proper irrigation, and pest control are essential for maintaining healthy apricot trees. Apricots are a versatile and nutritious fruit that adds a burst of flavor to various culinary creations. Whether enjoyed fresh, dried, or incorporated into dishes, apricots provide a range of health benefits and are a delightful addition to a balanced diet. So next time you're looking for a delicious and nutritious fruit, consider reaching for an apricot. The nutritional powerhouse health benefits of apricots. Apricots, with their vibrant color and sweet tangy flavor, aren't just a delicious treat. These small fruits also pack a nutritional punch, offering an array of health benefits. In this script, we'll delve into the various ways apricots contribute to overall well-being. Rich source of vitamins. Apricots are loaded with essential vitamins that contribute to good health. 1. Vitamin A. Apricots are a fantastic source of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, supporting the immune system, and promoting skin health. 2. Vitamin C. This antioxidant vitamin helps protect cells from damage, supports the immune system, and aids in collagen production, which is essential for skin health and wound healing. Dietary fiber for digestive health. Apricots are a good source of dietary fiber, which plays a vital role in digestive health. 1. Digestion. Dietary fiber aids in maintaining regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. 2. Gut health. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and supporting overall gut health. Heart health benefits. Apricots offer benefits for heart health. 1. Potassium. These fruits are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and maintain proper fluid balance in the body. 2. Antioxidants. Apricots contain antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which can help protect the heart from oxidative stress and inflammation. Antioxidants for cellular protection. The antioxidants found in apricots can contribute to cellular health. 1. Free radical defense. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and cellular damage. 2. Skin health. Antioxidants support skin health by combating oxidative stress and promoting a healthy complexion. Low in calories, high in nutrients. Apricots are nutrient-dense and low in calories, making them a great option for weight management and overall health. 1. Satiety. The fiber content in apricots can promote feelings of fullness, aiding in portion control. 2. Nutrient variety. Apricots provide an array of essential vitamins and minerals, contributing to a well-rounded diet. Incorporating apricots into the diet. There are numerous ways to enjoy the health benefits of apricots. 1. Fresh. Enjoy ripe apricots as a snack or add them to salads for a burst of natural sweetness. 2. Dried. Dried apricots make for a convenient and portable snack, offering the same nutritional benefits. 3. Smoothies. Blend fresh or dried apricots into smoothies for a flavor boost. 4. Cooking. Incorporate apricots into both sweet and savory dishes, from jams and sauces to glazes for meats. Apricots are more than just a delicious fruit. They are a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and dietary fiber. Incorporating apricots into your diet can contribute to better digestive health, heart health, and overall well-being. So why not savor the sweet and tangy goodness of apricots while reaping their numerous health benefits? Apricots offer several beauty benefits. 1. Skin hydration. Apricots contain water and nutrients that help keep the skin hydrated, promoting a healthy and radiant complexion. 2. Exfoliation. The natural exfoliating properties of apricots can help remove dead skin cells, revealing smoother and brighter skin. 3. Vitamin A. The high vitamin A content supports skin cell regeneration, contributing to a youthful appearance. 4. Antioxidants. Antioxidants in apricots protect the skin from environmental damage, reducing signs of premature aging. 5. Nourishing masks. Apricot-based masks and products can provide deep nourishment, leaving the skin soft and supple. Remember, while apricots offer beauty benefits, individual results can vary. Always do a patch test before trying new skincare products or treatments. I hope you enjoy this video and learn knowledge from them. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for further videos. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.